YouTube displays the number of users who have subscribed to your channel below each of your videos next to the subscribe button and on your channel page. This setting is enabled by default, but if you would like to prevent the streaming platform from disclosing the number of subscribers, you can turn off the subscriber counts in your channel settings. You cannot do it from your YouTube application. We gotta do it from your browser. Go ahead and open your browser. Visit youtube.com. Tap on Profile icon. Tap on Sign In. Log in to your account. Now make Chrome browser as desktop mode. Click on three dots at the top right corner. Select Desktop Site. Zoom in and tap on your profile icon. Then YouTube Studio. At the left bottom, tap on Settings icon. Tap on Channel. Tap on Advanced Settings. Untick on Subscriber Count. Tap on Save. That's it. Now your subscriber count is hidden.